Today I went through a clearing call with Michael Gravy, and I feel like I'm fulfilling my potential finally. I feel like the man I wanted to be. We started talking about my father, some memory that I hadn't given, and that affected my safety and my relationship with money. Michael was like a magician, feeling how I was tuning in with the emotions that I felt. He could see where I was, going deep inside and reinforcing everything. And with great mastery, he said tap here and tap there, say these words, and I felt like the energy transmuting finally. I've been doing TFT by myself, but it's not the same when you have someone like Michael Gravy guiding you to freedom. So I wish if you go through this kind of clearing session that you fully trust him, because he knows what he's doing. I feel that I'm fulfilling my potential.